Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix login error in Marvel Rivals. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. So, whether you're on PS5, Xbox or PC, the first thing I recommend you do is simply close out of the game fully and then relaunch it and see if it works. Now, if that didn't work, it either means your network connection isn't working or the Marvel Rivals servers are experiencing issues. So what I recommend you do is go to settings on your respective console or PC and just go ahead and test your internet connection to see if you're able to properly connect to your internet as well as your download and upload speeds. Now, if you're able to connect to your internet and you're noticing issues with your speeds, that could very well be the issue, in which case I'd recommend performing a power reset on your home network. To do this, you want to unplug your modem and/or router for 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and come back and test your internet connection speeds to see if that was the issue. Now, if that didn't work, you could also check out the PlayStation network status if you're on PlayStation. If you're on Xbox, you'd want to check the Xbox status just to ensure it's not on the platform's end. Now, if you know 100% it's not your home network, then it could just be on Marvel Rivals' end, in which case I'd check out their social media channels and just wait until they fix it. And that's it.